Seeing now B'ez Hashem Yisborach that Yud Zayin Amud Aleph. Zog the Gemara. The Mishnah says like this: Hoimas Anim Yod Hashem Choyd Lahanatz Chama Lo Yishlim. Achanatz Chama Yishlim. If it happened after Hanatz Chama, the rain came, then you have to be mashlim. If it came late, no, Choyd Lachatzos Lo Yishlimu. Achatzos Yishlimu. Only if it came after Chatzos. Then it's considered it came too late, you have to be mashlim. Ma'atish goes with tiniest below the other shom koil chatzos. On a tarifin, you passed him like Reb Lezer, so he said before chatzos, even ichul b'shila su yontiv. But else if ichul b'shila su yontiv, boy benem, b'ayim b'karel halago. The Gemara is going to say now, where do we know this din? Where do we know this din? It says v'hoy term yikro b'ani ana. It shows that before they even started calling, I answered them. So means you don't have to fast anymore. That means they didn't even start. They right away got answered. If you still need to talk, means it didn't happen so quick. So means I will continue listening to them. Ani Eshma means equals Shemea Tefillah. I'll still continue listening to that Tefillah. So now the Gemara asks the question. It's an interesting Gemara here. Oy Chalaf means maybe the opposite. Maybe the Reish the Kra is talking when they're nana after Chatzos. Term Ikra v'ani ana. If right away means right after Chatzos they were answered, then they don't have to cry anymore. But Oydem Medabrim means before Chatzos. Oydem Medabrim. They just started talking even before. Then Vani Eshma, then I wanted to talk more. But we don't know which part of the pasuk. That's clear. One part says Vani Ana means you don't have to be clear out, and the other one says Shemei Vani Eshma you do have to. The question is which one talks that were answered before Chatzos, which one after Chatzos. Amar Tachim Tanikin and Aniya El Samach the Kriya and Kriya Samach Laniya. What does it mean? That the Kriya and the Aniya come together because that's a klal by how they koira and then the oina. Kriya and Aniya always go together. If somebody koiras a hal, then there's oinam achro. So you always find in Shas that Kriya and Aniya go together. So that's why the Reish the Kra Ksiv Terem Yikra V'ani Ana is talking that the Nana before the nets and made it the Aniya and Kriya were together. Why? Because the Kriya the Kriya was so the Reish the Kra must talk about davening about the Nana after the nets. That's how the Reish the Kra must talking. That the Reish the Kra must be talking in a case where their Nana before the nets. So there's Aniya and then there's Kriya. Kriya means Tefillah. Aniya Kriya Smicha L'Adodi. The Seif the Kra means Nenu Achar Nets. And there you still Mechayiv to daven. It's not so the pshat I don't know where I got it from. I forgot, but it's not. It's so clear. Not so clear. What is he saying here? Tachima is answering at Ein Aniyah Samach Kriya. Mela the Reisha the Kra that says Terry Kra and Anna must talk when they're Nana before the nets. Before the nets. Ein Aniyah El Samach Kriya before the nets. Why can't it be the Nana after the nets? The Aniyah Samach Kriya. The davening. Maybe Samach Kriya means Samach Kriya Shema. Maybe Samach Kriya means Kriya Shema. Shnei Lefnei Anetz. Mela Aniyah Kriya Smicha Ladada. Ein Aniyah El Samach Kriya Kriya Samach Aniyah. Trying to think this is maybe it might be the right shot. Mela is Aniyah Kriya. Aniyah Kriya. Kriyas Shema Lefnei Anetz. But I'm not sure clear yet, so I don't know. Maybe I should try to find a better shot. Yom the Rabbi Yidin doesn't time when noch mitra berumshe. It came at night. So look at the gab begin dan not sachi. I'm thirsty. My nicht eurech shami yom licho hashlam. Since it's so late erev, so maybe you have to be mashlam. That's the locha. You have to be mashlam. Ba'acher ba'bo v'shem ha'beis b'chanina also l'tanas at sheish shos b'shabbos. You're not allowed to fast until sheish shos. Ha'beis ba'abun maslit on McCain koyd l'chatzos de'eshlimu. Atkilen Safra. You see, if you fast for till Chatzos, it's like you fasted a day. That's why you don't want to break it. But if it came after Chatzos, it means basically that you fasted already. So you don't want to break your fast. Because a boy Yeches mit dem Mann der should fall the Safra. He told for his Shamish Kumlach Kuma Chali and standing for the Heichel. Begin the Rabbi boy Mispera. Because Rabbi means myself wants to take a haircut, but has no koich to be mitzvah. Yada b'mitzvah nachas. That's what big schus Rabbi Yechon Bazaki had. Other by Achua, because Rabbi Boy Yech's mitzvah, the sholach masayne. This took off his shoe. The sholach tavein have on the taif. The whole world was flooding with rain. A palta was tam. There was a certain apoilus, the earthquake, the falling houses of a mace of chad and talmid bebeisa. And one of them sitting in the house. Ada have mafan beisa. Until they were taking away everything from the house, keeping that one from Besa, then the whole house fell down. They waited till this tzaddik left the house. Is the Amr the Ache Ba'ache, the Bada Ba'achua, but Shalchachom Omle, Ma Meisen Tob Yesh Lebiatcha. Yomelik Man Odno Besa Knesset, Nacht Odno Besa Knesset, the Sosili, Nacht the Abba the Toire, Vele Iskati, the Toy Makom Tunu, Vele Itzati, Vishanti, Chunas Keva, Vele Itzadati Ben Chaverim. I guess it's a certain kind of gaiva that they didn't walk between the chachamim. Like an easy shem lechavei, so macht we kill take the chos chavei, the boss kills chavei amatasi, never always moichel everybody that was fazemi, like chasi b'shuk as mishi chayevli, didn't want to see like a noisha. Yom like party was a basic kaim ashenema, salad was some of basic. Easy like the panel from chanun hoidi, ashen kim chas the nekel chas. You start from the kapitel before, that's called Halla Godel. So when it came back to Shul to say Halla Godel, it said these two kapitlach. Why do you say these two kapitlach? These these two kapitlach are so important. It says by them, Yevidis Gesham. So more as that seems to say, Where does it say you read Geshamim in the second capital? That means through rain. So both of them talking about the Gedulus Hashem of rain. It means our howl, regular howl, this howl from Tiserish Chodesh and Yom Tov. Had done. It's also, he says, had done. It's ours, so we say halagod. Mash only koyim b'chagim. That's called halagod. The pork diet at in town and me shall catch it. They get after the shivshem. Tanapozi halagdoil. He called that howl that says in Sefta Psachim. That regular howl, he called that halagdoil. So that's here also. It says halagodl. It means this howl. Chad barabaya overcome to vis. Only on and basrim madam no omer. You should repeat what I say. Ado omer leisa dodidon. The howl shalanu and its sibber. So it can be ours. Because our owl, you don't answer, just you listen. So it must mean that he did the kilo elam chazdoi, the one that's other one, that one is einem. It's really ours. Nisa have a rab, again kin omalan nasid. Yes, Godel, even though by a regular time when you say our howl, halamitri, you don't answer. When are these 4 times? Shachas, Musaf, Mincha, Ben Ila Sha'ar. So there's 3 times in the year where you do the Sis Kapayim 4 times a day. That's taanith, Mamadis, Yom Kippur. Because the point of it is, since you're fasting, so you can do Sis Kapayim all the tefillas. Now obviously, there's no Musaf during Taniyas and Mamadis, but he's trying to say each tefillah that he daven. So that's not Yom Kippur. Only Yom Kippur is Musaf. The other ones is just Taniyas and Mamadis. They used to daven Ne'ilah. Used to daven Ne'ilah by Taniyas and Mamadis. Ashmam not class. Ashmam not Shabbos Anam Mamadis. Was Palam Arba. You daven 4 means you daven Mincha Ne'ilah Shachris. Some say it means that used to daven Musaf also by Mamadis. Not so clear. If it means that, could be it means only that it means an Ila. So that's why it's only 4 times in a day. So it actually does seem that there was Musaf, because he's counting that as 4. Shachas Musaf Mincha Ila Sharm. Spalnam Arba. I'm not sure what that means. Could be they added another tefillah. He says kappa by his pal. See the tefillah by his kapayim. See the kapayim by tefillah. I was asking a question here. Why do you make Nesis kapayim only but during tefillah? General question. General. Who says it has to belong with tefillah? Where it says we only find Nesis kapayim by tefillah. Tane Zidur Meir. He holds that you make Nesis kapayim 4 times. Meir is the one that holds that you do all the 4 times. But the Taniyas, you do it all the 4 tefillahs. That you kula. That's a different sugya Masechta Megillah. Okay, we'll stop here. This is the end of Yud Zayin.